bikin gulali pakai candy puppet ini kan. Let's start. Mau cobain dulu guys. Mamma mia, yummy. Sticking more. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Udah keluar guys. Very big guys, this looks so yummy. It's done guys. Bikin gulali pakai candy puppet guys. Mari kita coba. Mamanya yummy. Ada mint, rasanya enak guys. Enak banget. Bikin lembab pizza. Ini enak banget guys, kalian harus cobain ya. Next bikin pakai apa lagi ya? Komen di bawah ya. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. Umwah.